Well, a new decision from the State House has Hoosiers divided.
Governor Eric Holcomb signed a new law now allowing Hoosiers to carry a handgun without a permit. News 18's Ani Kasparian has reaction from both sides.
Guns. To some, they bring a feeling of fear. To others, they bring a feeling of safety and protection. That's what I learned when speaking to a variety of Hoosiers about House Enrolled Act 1296. The law was signed by Governor Eric Holcomb on March 21, 2022. It would allow Hoosiers to legally carry a handgun in public without a permit. Lexi Ritchie is a mom of 4 and an avid supporter of gun rights.
Our Second Amendment gives us the right to bear arms, to own guns, and we shouldn't be able to purchase a gun and then have to pay our state separately to have permission from our government to carry a gun.
I spoke to Chief of Lafayette Police Scott Galloway, who shared his reservations on the new bill.
These people wouldn't have had a gun in the first place, but now they do because there was no checks and balances in place to stop them from having it. Mm-hmm. So people that have committed crimes, the ones we're really concerned about, domestic violence crimes, crimes of violence, we flag those people, and now that won't happen.
After hearing Chief Galloway's concerns, I asked Lexi if she was at all worried about this security.
No, because when you buy a firearm, I bought my firearm from Point Shoot Blank in Maryville, Indiana, and they run a background check on you when you purchase a firearm. You can't just walk in and buy a firearm. They ask for your license, your social, you have to fill out information. You can't just walk in and out.
But other moms like Kathy Parker, a volunteer at Moms Demand Action for Gun Sense, say her worry is at gun shows.
So federally licensed gun dealers have to conduct background checks on people buying guns, but people at gun shows don't have to do that, and private sellers don't have to do that.
Something that is still perfectly legal to do in Indiana.
If you were to meet someone who had a gun and carries it safely, and they say, this is my property, I just want to be able to not have to pay to use something that I can legally use, what would you say to them?
I would say, I understand your point. I understand that, you want that. We want lots of things. I don't necessarily want to have a driver's license, but I do. I don't want to register my car, but I do.
For now, the debate goes on, but the law carries. Only time will show the effects of this law. Reporting in West Lafayette, Ani Kasparian, News 18.